पुण्येन लिप्यते नो वा लिप्यते च श्रुतत्वतः न हि श्रौतेन पुण्येन श्रौतं ज्ञानं विरुध्यते अलेपो वस्तु सामर्थ्यात् समानः पुण्यपापयोः श्रुतं पुण्यं पापतया करणं च समं श्रुतम्
पुण्येन लिप्यते न उवा लिप्यते नौवा is the individual after gaining Brahma Jnana he is connected to me. Is he bound by punya or not? There is samshaya. Asya shrutatvatah lipyate. Asya means punyasya shrutatvatah. Who told you punya is there? Shruti. So punya is something that is told by the Shruti. Brahmajna is not like Pratisiddha. Vihita, enjoined by the Shruti and not prohibited like the Papa. So that is that. And Brahmajnana also is, which is recommended by the Shruti. So therefore we say, Asya punyasya shrutatvatah lipyate. Because you can't say punya can go without the punya can get exhausted without giving the phala. You can't say why. Shruti has said so. Pura Paksha, Pura Paksha gives the reason now. He because Shautena Punnena Shrautam Jnanam na virudhyate. Reason is Shrautena Punnena. Punya given by who? Told by who? Shruti. So Shrautam Brahma Jnanam na virudhyate. It's a lame argument actually it is. This argument has no basis, but that is what the Pura Paksha brings forth. Shautam Jnanam na virudhyate. Siddhanta. Vastu samarthyat punya papayoho alepaha. Vastuta, what is Vastu? Brahma. Brahma samarthya means Brahma swarupasya samarthya. What is the samarthya? Akartratmaka vastu samarthya. Akartratmaka vastu samarthya. Brahma, which is akartatmaka, by that vastu samarthya. Vastu samarthya. Akartratmaka vastu samarthya. Because of that it is punya papayoho alepaha. No connection with punya papa. And besides papa, punya also cannot be binding in nature to Brahmajnani. Another reason is punyam papataya shrutam. Shruti describes punya as papa. Shruti describes punya as what? Papa. So where it is, say, punya papa, see, punya other than saguna jnani is upasana. Means punya earned by for kamya karma. What for it is earned for kamya bhoga. And this fellow is interested in neither not punya, he is interested in the bhoga. Just as students are not interested in study. The result only as such. So like that, this person is interested in the bhoga. And one who is educated bhoga, in course of time he will take to adharma also. Slowly, it is a matter of time. Slowly the fellow will migrate to take adharma. But punya is what? Adharma only. So therefore his punya is as good as except Saguna Brahma Vidya, where punya is not meant for this thing, Chitta Naishal, etc. to gain the knowledge or Krama Mukti, not that. Kamya Karma punya is actually it is Papa only as so is it Punyam Papataya Shrutam, again it says Cha also Taranam Samam Shrutam, by Brahma Jnana crossing over of Prapa Punya, Mundakopanishad. Sarva Karmani, all karmas, there is no distinction of Papa and Punya as such. So the Taranam, crossing over both Papa and Punya, is told by Shruti. 14th Sutra. इतरस्य अपि एवं अश्लेषः पातेतु. Take the Nyaya Nirnaya, line 6. Jnanat papa nivrittim uktva. By knowledge, papa nivritti is told. Means Jnani doesn't get bound by papa. Tasmadeva punya nivrittim atidishati. Tasmadeva means jnanad eva, by Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana only. Punya also doesn't bind. Lepa is not a means, doesn't bind. It is atidishati. The principle that was told in the earlier Adhikarana, the akarta svabhava, is extended here. Tasmadeva punya nivrittim atidishati. Tasmadeva means jnanad eva, by Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana only. Punya also doesn't bind. Lepa is not a means, doesn't bind. It is atidishati. The principle that was told in the earlier Adhikarana, the akarta svabhava, is extended here. Sutra, we have already read. Itarasya api. What is itarasya? Itara than Purva Agha, Purva Papa. So itarasya means Purvotarasya Punyasya api. Agha, Papa was already it was what? Accounted for. Now here itarasya. So that is Purva Uttarasya. What is Purva? Before gaining knowledge. Uttara, after gaining the knowledge. Punyasya api evam. Evam means Purvottara. Like the agha of that is earned before gaining the knowledge and after gaining the knowledge. Purvottara asamsleshaha. Asamsleshaha means samsleshasya abhava, no connection. It also means vinashaha cha, by implication. Asamsleshaha samsleshabhavaha vinashaha cha bhavataha. Vinashaha. Then what happens? Then IPL matches. Kaam ho gaya na? Now what does this mean? Papa, Punya, either Ashlesha, Vinasha, what does it mean? No future birth. No future birth, because these are the causes of transmigration, Punarjanma. No future birth means what? He gets moksha. That's what says. He gets moksha. Therefore says, Patetu, for this Brahmavid. So because the bandha hetu, punya papa being not there, pate, what is pate? Deha patetu. Prarabdha will continue. Once the body falls off, patetu, muktihi avashyam bhavini, add that. Patetu, muktihi avashyam bhavini. Mukti is inevitable. Even if he says, I don't want mukti, like children, I don't want. Even if he says, I don't want mukti, inevitable. It is inevitable. Caption: Jnani has no punya sambandha also. Jnani has no punya sambandha also.